MeghalayaPost.news.
Along ka kubor yung kajing men berkajing ay mensimuru ekiway ikun Samla ka temur boy. Hagabaha ka ni kakunti adin baka Meghalaya Board of School Division embus lapan menaya ka result jong ka SSLC examination arjarapsan adu sangut ke Samla dari Bhoi leo benrung sa Thup jong ka top 20 dan ikum kita pe kibawan chikmat ha ka ni ka SSLC examination arjarapsan kumula benar hakin ni result jong ka SSLC examination arjarapsan ka Bhoi district kalau poi hadu kapundai point life persen lepas hakin ni examination bana pedeng kini Samla gi boleh kun hakin ni SSLC examination sangut leo benrung ha ka Thup jong ka top 20 kita ki Samla gi boleh rung ha ka Thup jong ka top 20 ki Thup yang sorap pande na Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo boleh benrung ha ka third position jong ka top 20 da ka bawlo benkur ya ki marks hadu sanspa new marks ringkat ke distinction ha ka subject English Mathematics Science and Technology Social Science Computer Science bat ke Hindi kanan dini kumeri na ka school Alpha English Higher Secondary School kali rung ha ka 6 position jong ka top 20 da ka balayo sanspa anduf kandai marks bat kaliyo kuru ya ke distinction bat ka letter ha ka subject English Mathematics Science and Technology Social Science Health and Physical Education bat ke Hindi ka Quincy Karsano na ka Umroy Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Umroy kaliyo rung ha ka 7 position da ka balayo kur hadu sanspa andru ramat Badru ka Samla Indonesia bakonuru na Nehru Memorial Secondary School Sning kaliyo rung ha ka 14 position da ka balayo kur sanspa andru puimat Begini sangut Samla pulen dari Bhoi lawan ra ka nam ke burom omtang ke sem ke school kalau ru ke serong bat ka nam ke burom ya ke Bhoi district hi Bhoi.
Over the moon about my results, it has been really good, and first of all I like to thank God for all His blessings. He has always been with me whenever I needed Him, and ma'am for always supporting me and all of us, all and the whole class. And all the teachers who have been through, who have worked together with me, and without them it wouldn't have been possible. And my tutor and my parents, of course, they have always encouraged me to work hard and to do my best. So I'm really thankful to all of them. It's just we need to be consistent. We have to work bit by bit, but every day we should be consistent with our studies, and we should not be distracted. We should avoid distractions and just keep doing our work sincerely. I was involved in sports as well. I used to play games and all during the recreation week and all, which was held in our school. And yeah, we should always we should study, but then at the same time we should also be involved into some games so that we are fit physically as well. It's not about how many hours we should study, but it's about if we study only for 1 hour, we should be sincere with that. We should study with full focus. So usually I used to study besides school is for 5 hours after school, and in the morning 2 hours. You should be confident. You should have confidence. Self-confidence is really important, and you should trust yourself. Trust the process, trust yourself, and you will do great.
Principal jong Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo sa sisin pa ngasngaw nungkong ay man ay ngu yublay ya kan ni resort ko babaha kan ni kasnemro hoy kadang kicing tut kan dia ka kicing penbana jong ki ya ka resort akasni Saturday ka baga day ka syuti ya ki school jan baro lada day ba ni don ki kena school mutasi kicing ya syat kicing ya kemen kan long ka ba semua tanah hado tapat kini ki kena school ba mi ka resort ki pas wan sekemat kini aban wan sha school lang ba ki kemi ki pa rewal kat taru kata ka ding start jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education bakila peni ya ka resort kan ka sngi pat kom ka principal ada sngaw ngo shisha ya uble bat kumju ru ya kinong hikai ya ki kemi ki pa ki ba kershan ya ki ya kejat bat kumju ru ya ki kena school khamtam ya ki kini ki ba wan shakmat kumu Saurav Pandey bawan haka third position, but kumjo roi Nandini Kumari ibawan haka sixth position. Hak jing shangi don shu sa langut ikna kiban kami unti kumi Kadiala Sungo iyo 92.16%, Piba Susing Tangsang iyo 92.33%, Ashwarya Shah iyo 91.83%. Karisol jong kababha jong kini kikna kadai nungkong nagajing tresiton jong ki kajing long jong kini kena baro hi kini kibawan chakman nakajing tresiton kajing betong jong ni na school kinong hikai bat kikimi kikpa nai nungkong ngai I de kajing long babha jong ki kajing long ngek sneng ko ngut sneng jong ki kajing long ba kajing ya shimbenta jong ki haki program jong school baro lahapo school ni Shabar, block level, district level, state level, kini kina kijushim benta nakapor sakapor. But kuai ka bang aju I galong borobor ba ki minot ki assignments jumki ki minot jing ko jumki yo ki don kan ka regular study habit. But ka ka bang aju I ru ba kini kina kimde ki ba long distracted lani ki ba bun kama ki mobile lani ki serial lani ka kam ki ba kumni kumtai ki chushim ta ki kam kumdu sports lani ki quiz competition, science exhibition ki program ki pape tingas nyaw ba ka kubor ko mga kwa ban ay ki kun ki ti jong ki kena school jongi bang ngek scam na ki school baro ba nta ka snem hari Bhoi ngi don sa ki wai ki school artli ki ba poilang ha ka position jong top 20 ni ai khublei lang ya ki ru kumjo ba ngek scam ba ka kubor ka bangi kum kinong hikai ba kinong penya school ka long ba ki khon ki kti jongi ki dei ban so tho ba ka ni ka prthei ka dei prthei ki jing ko jing le ba kimla ban chu shong thai la ni ban chu ki jing puli jong ki ban plak mi ta ki ni ki tai ki ka ban shimno ya ka por jong ki ban chu plut por kai ha ki ki ba shimno por jong ki na jing puli jong ki.
Yeah, on this today when I got to hear the news, I was really very happy in knowing that she has got in the top 10 list. I'm really grateful to the school department, all the teachers, respected ma'am, who were always having an information and guidance giving towards, like whenever the result were being distributed, I think they will be giving some guidance and some tips that where she need to focus much more. That also really helped her in doing her in her studies to get much better year by year, and as she was studying from her childhood. So I think the total whatever she had been doing, get the knowledge from the school itself. And besides what she just now said, that she was working hard, she was having confidence that she can do better, and today she has got the result also. So she also happy, and I am really very very happy and excited as well.
Kung nga smoke men mo bangala Bhoi kumne bangala result mo bha but nga Ioh Rung yo blay kram ka jingalam jong u but jinga khu jong u nga nam Bhoi hi sha ne wala ngam da Bhoi than hi sha khamar ru tang ba nga smoke men bangala yo moi kataga result ka ba bha wala men hi pa hi thampan ru hi nam kai ke ba kibayay yang ay kibayay ay sila but lara ni the problem hanong mo kin kaloy bang yarap kinju kilong kibakaloy haban yarap ini Miss Principal mo ilong ibakaloy ha ya ay mansini ya sinangi kundo may ni de banlong kana kibapiksi kuntu kibanyay ngat na baliyo ya ka laway ka babha mo mag-set ang pangatahin so kantate man kasu kumtuting kabalap hi nga set pule tang badala de for example long kam stress hi untuk nyo praktika pule kapitahi tuition ngalet ai ngut mo is solution ngare sa sampayang iban long baklo ba ma iru ban yara yang ngapor bang ada problems itu da ngale cucian dan kama sa science de long iba idas ter kata tengam tak ada
itu message
message te kalong work hard hi kalong kaba dan kam hamo yang kita school te bunyi ki basit ang baka mobile mo kalong kaba halong bakan sendiri kita kata ka mobile ka dan ki advantage but ki disadvantages ko di mangi ki kana school kini de banang berpenun kami ka agar kom ka bade tang kata
ke school di Indonesia di Bidang Kesem berkunjung ke Al-Qudai ki menghikai ki pala tre met bat mensiam bakin keshan ki kena bakin teach them with love bakin kampung ki kun na jong dengan Al-Qudai ki menghikai adu ki menghikai juga ini section di secondary class 10 teachers ki pala tre shitom but mensiam nomor bakani kajing boy je kani ka position hadu hamiru kadi lingba kajing dress tom ke jongki but kumju ka de kajing minot jong inisha kajing discipline ke jong inisha kajing long resilience jong I ko bun give up ya ke ai kajing ai ru ya ke temptation ru de kata hing isno pa mungkin pa ya kajing I know but kajing I play ya baru khoi dapat kumju ru ka ban I play ya ka DSCO office di Madam Ruby Das, very joint director. For last year, for all the principals of the school, Joguri Bhoi district, kumno bangila ban lift up yaga percentage na the Bhoi district, the ila yaga suggestion jong and all the office staffs from the SO also ban I could lay yaga jing support, jing kushan, jing I advise jong but everything happens good in the end. The top school jumni Inisha the 14 position, but your distinction in all and your 100 in science and technology. In our school, but there he cannot get distinction. He long condine English, he long condine word, Kasi he long kat kram word, health education kat nyong word, science and technology kat line word, social studies pram word. Electronics kat kendai ngut, but information and technology line ngut. Kini kita kena kita layu distinction subjects. Na ke school je. Kuat ke bangga kuat kita kena first thing kita penong kita murid, but kita penong shutong. And second thing kita penong ke discipline. Nampak ke discipline kita one thing which is very important. Mak kejeng ni. Pada dah kila don ni ke discipline tu akwa makin don ni apa consistency ke kinum hak la ka tu ka routine lai ku chongki ata ka de jika bisi chongki but let's see menta kin pun ke temptation students nowadays they fall into temptations with everything and my encouragement is that please you cannot don't ever give up. Anything is possible if we set our mind to it. So encourage Barok ki kena from the Bhoi district and all over the state of Meghalaya. They can work hard, they can be humble, they can learn the moral values and discipline.
Kumga kami tengah so komen hi sikat deh ni kelam dah kena nanti ban poi hadu kalis mo kumba kalong kumga ni ka result umta te Samla hero kelam dah penpau ka jinso yo blai kumba kalong ka khodi kini barok gede kijing ka khubat kijing alam kijing uhi ho ngi jukan mo yu kijing dua ke hinde ba hadu kat ni ba dengi kelam expect long barok khot kini ba kide kijing kerkhu ki bakat pang jong blai hi ya ka kun jungi ya king kesam jungi bat kumjuru ya ka school jungi hi barok kawe ladang am bakla ka di after a very long time ba ka school jungi kan poi biang hakalis kunde te lengba kan ga media mo nga suman parbau ka jung nguru ya ki nong hikai jong school naduk por ba dangren I shailong iba shaiwan sa khamat hi te ga de jing yalam jong ki nong hikai naduk English section ba kumjuru ya ki ni nong hikai ki bala hikai ki secondary level kadi kejing trust ke jongki kejing la ke jongki ken banya lam ki ya ke khun ke jongi hadu kane hadu ne upot bamata te ngasuban ai khuble ro kumju ya ki bhaing basam ki paralok parajor tinong hikai giba na po school ba na sa baro kunju giba la kersyanya ka kun gi jongi ba kunjuru tang ha gi jong kuli gi jong ki hinrei kersyanya ka kun gi jongi leng ba ki jing duai ru ni bon ha gi parlo ki baju phone ki baju grand ya iken ba kisat kan mau bi ban ong bang set bu iki he ki jing duai ba na song thu ba ki ni baro ki dei leng ba ki jing duai jong ki ken ba ni yo ban ki dei so
MeghalayaPost.news.